Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can play games on TikTok Live. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your TikTok app and log into your account and make sure you have the live options in your TikTok account. So you have to simply click on plus icon and then you will see over here at the down menu you will see live option. Click on that and then you will comes in your live session or like camera session of live. So you have to simply click on scroll down. You will see over here a bunch of options over here: voice chat, device camera, like game, mobile gaming, or like live studio. So you have to simply click on mobile gamings and you will see over here a bunch of options over here. You have to simply play target, or like you can simply do is give them a name of your title. So like playing games over here, games, and like that you can add a live goal as well, or how to go live. You can see over here bunch of options over here you can see. So you have to simply do is add over here a game you want to play over here. So you have to simply play target, click on that, play together, sorry for that. So you can see you can play with your friends as well. So you have to simply add your game over here by checking out where your game is, or like you can simply swipe up to your game, or like you can do it by that. And that's it. That's how you can play game in TikTok live session. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.